Vitamin C. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is essential for normal growth and the maintenance of practically all the body tissues, especially those of the joints, bones, teeth, and gums. It protects one against infections and acts as harmless antibiotic. It promotes healing and serves as protection against all forms of stress and harmful effects of toxic chemicals. It helps prevent and cure for common cold. It also helps in decreasing blood cholesterol. This vitamin is found in citrus fruits, berries, green and leafy vegetables, tomatoes, potatoes, sprouted Bengal, and green grams. A deficiency can cause scurvy marked by weakness, anemia, bleeding gums, and painful and swollen parts, slow healing of sores and wounds, premature aging, and lowered resistance to all infections. The recommended daily allowance is 50 to 75 mg for adults and 30 to 50 mg for children. Smokers and older persons have greater need of vitamin C. It is used therapeutically in huge doses from 100 to 10,000 mg a day. It prevents and cures colds and infections effectively, neutralizes various toxins in the system, speeds healing process in virtually all cases of ill health, increases sexual vitality, and prevents premature aging. According to Dr. Linus Pauling, a world famous chemist and nutrition expert, vitamin C is one of the least toxic vitamins. It is very safe to use in high doses. Your body will take exactly what it needs and excrete any excess naturally.